Next, this is my personal information, then table of contents, and introduction. So, Frankenstein, a Gothic novel written by Mary Shelley. So, Mary Shelley's Frankenstein explores the difference between the male dominance, and also we can see here a masculine and feminine creation. So here, Mary Shelley criticized this male dominance. How Victor Frankenstein destroy female. So here, this is the main point. So this theme of masculine and feminine creation, contrasting the patriarchal scientific quest exemplified by Victor Frankenstein and Walton with a overlooked, suppressed, or destroyed form of a female agency and creativity. So, Shelley is a figure at the crossroads of feminism, questioning whether her work have the way for a feminist vision of a humanity. So, Shelley's narrative critiques the exclusionary practice of traditional universal humanism practices that marginalize human. In today's time, also we can see that many places women cannot work there. So that is the main point here. So women marginalized and non-European and the socially othered. Okay. Furthermore, Shelley's portrayal of monstrous and incomplete creations underscores the failures of a masculine attempt to control and define humanity while rejecting connection, diversity, and the feminine. The destroyed female creature, for instance, symbolizes the suppression of female agency. So here we can see Elizabeth and Justin's character. Particularly Justin's character, we can see there is a no voice. Justin's voiceless. She is not means mistaken. She is not mistaken, but also he suffered from this because of suppression for men. So that is the main point. Frankenstein, not just as a Gothic novel, but as a feminist text that integrates the dynamic of a power, identity, and exclusion, advocating for reimagined exclusion, figure of a humanity rooted in accountability and connection rather than a domination and isolation. Next. So Shelley's personal background and feminist influence. So Mary Shelley's supportive part, Mary Wollstonecraft, her mother. So Mary Wollstonecraft influence. Shelley's mother, Mary Wollstonecraft, was one of the earliest and most prominent advocate for women rights, and her most famous work, Vindication of the Rights of Women. So this influenced Mary Shelley aware about the woman suppression and all. So this is the main point on this feminism. And Wollstonecraft argued that women should have access to country education and the same rights as a man. And this idea deeply influenced Mary Shelley. So this Frankenstein novel is gifted by that. And connection to Shelley's writing, we can see the Frankenstein in a feminist perspective. Here we can see that. So Pone, according to Pone, suggests that Shelley, growing up in an intellectual environment influenced by her mother's feminist idea, was well aware of the limitations placed on women by society. So here this feminist perspective we can see in this. In Frankenstein, this awareness is reflected in Victor Frankenstein failure to include. Victor Frankenstein destroyed female creature. So this is the female creature destroyed by a man. So there is the main point of male dominance. Next, the destroyed female creature and suppression of female voice. So here we can see Victor Frankenstein's decision to destroy the female creature before completion is a symbolic act of silencing female agency. So here we can see that Victor Frankenstein chose to destroy the female character before completing her is a powerful symbol. In Frankenstein, it represents how women's voice and independence are often silenced in society. We can see in today's time also, any situation, women not speak. They're not freely ask or say suggestion to given anybody. So this is the point. And then Shelley uses this moment to show how patriarchal system include women from roles of power and creativity and autonomy. And example from the novel, we can see Victor speculates that the female creature might refuse to align with the male creature's desires, stating that the might refuse to comply with a pact made before her creation. This might refuse to comply with a pact made before her creation is taken from the Pond articles, and this reveals a deep-seated patriarchal fear of woman as a unpredictable and uncontrollable. And we can see further, so feminist interpretation. So Shelley's critiques the idea that women should only exist as extension of a male desire or identities. By imagining Shelley challenges the narrative even through her story, shows how patriarchal structures violently suppress such possibilities. So next, Mary Shelley's subversion of patriarchal structures. So we can see in Frankenstein, Shelley uses the novel from to critique these patriarchal expectations. While she adopts a genre steeped in a patriarchal conversation, she deforms and transgresses its structure. So here we can see fragmented narratives, power of male. Here, Walton, Victor, and the monster. Narrative. The use of multiple narrators disrupts the singular authoritative male voice traditionally seen in voice novels. So we can see in the novel there is a male voice, not a female voice. We can see in this novel. Lack of closures. Shelley avoids a conclusive ending, leaving the monster fate ambiguous and the narrative open-ended, challenging the patriarchal preferences for his resolution and finality. So here we can see that Shelley doesn't give the story a clear, tidy ending. The monster's fate is left uncertain, and the narrative remains open-ended. This goes against traditional storytelling, which often has concluded resolution that reinforces control and order. So this is the lack of closure. Critique of male-dominated nations. Victor's failure to control his creation underscored the fragility of patriarchal authority and mastery. So here we can see example in the novel. So Victor's god-like ambition to create a life bypasses natural feminine process of creation. So here we can see Victor as the god, and he creates someone's life, and but his failure and the ensuring chaos real the adequacy of patriarchal ideas that excludes and suppress the feminine. So here we can see Victor create a male and but not female. Why? There is a question. Feminist reading. By disrupting narrative convention, Shelley not only critiques the content of patriarchal culture, but also its form, illustrating the inadequacy of a system that marginalized women. So next. romantic heroism and feminist values. Heroic male archetypes. Here, the romantic hero often dominates nature and others, symbolizing patriarchal control and masteries. So here we can see the in romantic literature, the hero is typically a man who seeks to master the world around him, including nature, knowledge, and even other people. Victor represent this type of a hero. He tries to uncover the secrets of heaven and earth and control life itself by creating the monster. We can see the life of a death and of a Peter Sellers. This the movie also connected with this. So and Shelley's subversion. By making Victor's heroic quest and in failure, Shelley subverted the romantic ideas. So Shelley turns the romantic hero ideas upside down by showing that Victor's quest for power and glory leads to failure, alienation. So Victor becomes isolated from his family and friends because he is consumed by his obsession with science. So it also we can see in this Frankenstein. So this is also relevant today. And destruction. So his pursuit causes the deaths of his loved ones and leaves him full of regret and guilt. Uh, and here we can see feminist vision. Shelley's feminism offers the counter narrative to romantic heroism. So here, feminist ethic reject destructive pursuit of power in favor of nurturing, mutual respect and care. So this is the feminist perspective of this. At the end conclusion, so we can see here that in Frankenstein how suppressed women and male dominance. So here Shelley's critiques patriarchal structures in romanticism and science and literature by challenging traditional narratives of creation, power and individuality through a feminist lens. So, Shelley critiques the romantic glorification of solitary male genius, revealing its destructive consequences when solved from communal responsibility and feminine values like nurturing, empathy, and interconnectedness. Also, the absence of woman in Victor's creative process and the failure of his monster creation serves as allegories for the sterility of a male dominated system that reject the feminine. Ultimately, the novel serves as a feminist call to rethink humanity, embracing interconnectedness and accountability while resisting rigid patriarchal representations to a vision and inclusive multifaceted future. So these are my reference. Thank you. If you have any question, please ask.
So, Shruti, my question is, how does Mary Shelley's own life and experiences influence the feminist themes in Frankenstein?
Yes, Mary Shelley's life influenced the feminist in the theme of Frankenstein, raised by her mother, Mary Wollstonecraft, who wrote a vindication of the rights of a woman. Mary Shelley is aware about the woman's separation and the all things about feminism. So how society treated to women at that time. So and we can see his personal life. So Mary Shelley, Mary Shelley's birth, and after birth he losing her mother. So he faced many situation. So this is the main answer on this. Next.
How does the lack of female voice in Frankenstein critique the gender dynamics of the time?
The lack of female voices in Frankenstein critique the gender dynamics of the time by highlighting the woman's marginalized in the both way, narrative and also society. In the both way, he marginalized. He has she has strict rules for their this suppression, all about the feminist perspective. So at that time also this situation is that and also this one example of that, J.K. Rowling, Harry Potter. uh, this name is look like a male, but it's not. It's a female name. So this is the situation at that time also. So this is the question. Thank you so much.